Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Kawaii, and as one of my Christmas presents, I got an invitation to the YouTube studio in Singapore. So we're going to take a few photos there and film a few videos on the inside, and then we're going to have lunch at the Google headquarters. And we're waiting for a pickup from my godmother to go to the YouTube studio. Let's see if we can get this thing running. My godbrother Elliot. So right now we're in the Google auditorium, but there are some places where we're not allowed to take photos or videos, so you won't be seeing much, but we'll try to sneak in some photos to post on YouTube. The YouTube sign, and then we wrote Kawaii on the Lego wall. This is a board where a lot of a few famous YouTubers signed here, and maybe I'll get to sign when I get 1 million subscribers. So subscribe now! Yeah, go inside the cupboard. Take a magic trick. You enjoyed, please like and don't forget to subscribe. Click here to subscribe and click here to watch more of my other videos. Bye!